Hello, welcome to Defying Mediocrity, and this is Shahab Ahmad. Let's learn a concept with the help of an MCQs, a previous paper MCQs. MCQs is saying that the volume occupied by 1.6 gram of O2 at STP is 2.24 decimeter cube, 1.12 decimeter cube, 22.4 decimeter cube, and 24 decimeter cube. So conceptually, we must know that volume occupied by every gas, 1 mole of every gas occupies 22.4 decimeter cube at STP. Okay, so oxygen is not any exception. Oxygen also occupies 1 mole of oxygen occupies 22.4 decimeter cube. So we know the mass of 1 mole of oxygen molecule, that is 32 grams. So 32 grams O2 occupies 22.4 decimeter cube volume. Okay, so we have inferred this data. We must know this beforehand before solving these MCQs. We must know this relationship that 1 mole of every gas occupies 22.4 decimeter cube at STP. Okay, now we have come up with the relationship that 32 gram, that is 1 mole of oxygen, also occupies 22.4 decimeter cube. Now from this onward, we will do some mathematical operations and come up with our answer. So what if I were to divide both sides by 2? What would I get? If I divide 32 by 2 and 22.4, both sides by 2. If I divide both sides of the equation by same number, I'll get the same result. Okay, so 32 divided by 2, I'll get 16 grams of O2 is equal to 11.2 decimeter cube volume. So 16 grams of O2 occupies what? 11.2 decimeter cube of volume. Now from here onward, let's divide both sides by 10. What will I get if I were to divide both sides by 10? Okay, so what will I get is 16 divided by 10, I'll get 1.6 gram O2 is equal to, if I were to divide 11.2 divided by 10, I would get 1.12 decimeter cube. Okay, so from this equation, now I can infer that 1.6 gram of O2 will occupy 1.12 decimeter cube of volume. So was this given in our question? Yes, we were asked that 1.6 gram of O2 will occupy how much volume? So it will occupy 1.12 decimeter cube of volume at STP. So means option B is the correct answer. So we learned a concept. First of all, the relationship between number of moles and volume occupied by a gas. So if we know the relationship, then we can do mathematical operations and come up with our answer. So thank you for your time.